So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans, and happy Thanksgiving. We have a lot to be thankful for as a family. About 45 minutes ago, daughter Hannah gave birth to a little baby boy. Actually, he's not that little. 9 pounds, 4 ounces. Big boy, but it has been a crazy week. It is now Wednesday, late afternoon. Sunday afternoon, myself and 2 good friends of mine, we went down to West Virginia to the cabin for deer season, which started on Monday. So we stayed the night Sunday night, and then Monday morning, there were deer everywhere. I saw probably 20 deer before 8:30 in the morning, and I shot a little buck around 8:30, I think. I wasn't being real choosy because I knew Hannah was going to be having this baby, and also the weather on Tuesday didn't look good at all, and it wasn't. So I got that buck Monday morning, and we hunted that afternoon. Things kind of slowed down some, and then Tuesday morning we got up, and the weather looked horrible, and it started to rain, and then it started to get freezing rain, and the wind was picking up, and Hannah went to the hospital. So they induced labor Tuesday morning. And so we left West Virginia, and I drove home, and Melissa was going to go out to State College where Hannah and Tyler live. And I said, well, I'll just go out with you. She's going to have the baby today because they induced labor. So I drove Melissa out there, which is about 3 hours, and I stayed for a while, and nothing happened. Well, I had to get back with Hunter. Levi was with Hunter. Then Eva came home. So I got home about 10 o'clock last night. And then we just got the word there a little bit ago that she finally had the baby. So I'm going to go back out tonight to meet the little guy and pick up Melissa. And she's going to come home. So we won't get home till real late tonight. And then Melissa has to cook a couple turkeys because we got about 25 people or something coming over for Thanksgiving tomorrow. So busy times, but it's all good. So on my way out, I need to make one stop. I'm going to go to the Hardwood Mall. It's kind of on the way. That's where we got that big table and chairs for the game room. And we ordered 2 more chairs, and they came in. So I'd like to pick them up today, so we'll have them for Thanksgiving. We had 10 chairs, but the table's 12 feet long, and there's plenty of room for 2 more on the side. So we ordered them a while back, and they came in. So that's where we're at right now. I've had a lot of windshield time, but I'm pretty ramped up and ready to go. So I'll report back in a bit. All right, we're almost to the Hardwood Mall in Emlenton, PA. It's a nice little town down over the hill there. Can't see it real well from here. But it's located right off of Interstate 80. And I think they are owned by one of the big sawmills up north. And this place here, they sell some lumber, a lot of slabs, and a lot of real nice furniture. If I can remember how to get here. It sits right along the interstate, but to get there, kind of drive around for a bit. But it's what, 3:53 in the afternoon, and being overcast, a little drizzle. It's gonna be dark here pretty soon. I'm gonna try to put these in the back seat of the truck. I brought some towels and a blanket. I think I can jam them in there because I don't want them riding around in the rain for the next 8-10 hours. Yeah, there's Interstate 80 right over there. This side of the building is where they keep all their slabs and stuff. Showroom's in the middle. All right, it's getting pretty dark in here, but I got the 2 chairs. Glad I was able to get them inside. It is raining, but I think I got about 2 hours and 20 minutes, and I will be in State College and meet the little guy. All right, it is Thanksgiving Day, and it's actually a pretty nice day. The sun's trying to peek out. Kind of chilly, but no rain, no snow. Last night, Melissa and I got back from State College, Must have been about 11:30, and Hunter was up and at 'em bright and early, 4 a.m. But we had to get up early anyway to get ready for some company coming over. But the everything went good with the baby. Baby Bo, 9 pounds, 4 ounces. He's a big boy, and Hannah and him will be leaving the hospital tomorrow on Friday and heading home. So sometime over the next couple days, Melissa will probably go out and stay there for a few days. We'll just have to see how things shake out. But yeah, it was a really good deal. You know what I mean? Everything went well, and we're happy to have our 3rd grandchild. And today will be a good day as well. We're going to have probably 25 people here, both my side of the family and Melissa's side of the family, for Thanksgiving. And then tomorrow's Friday. I'm going to be MIA for a couple days. Normally I publish Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. This video is going to be late on Thanksgiving. Probably won't be anything for Saturday. We'll have to see. But I'll definitely be publishing a video on Sunday. Saturday is the first day of deer season here in Pennsylvania. I got that little buck in West Virginia, but I had one show up. Hadn't seen before. He'd been hanging around the last couple of days. I got a bunch of pictures of him. He's a 7-point, not huge, but a nice buck for that area. I'll show you a couple pictures of him right now. Now, if I would happen to get a buck here in Pennsylvania on the first day, we'll see what happens. I could always go back down to West Virginia. I have 2 buck tags for down there. Well, one now. I used one up the other day. But the deer are just everywhere down there on that property. I mean, I think I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I saw probably over 20 deer by 8 or 8:30 in the morning when I got that buck. And they all look good. You know what I mean? You'd think with so many of them, they'd be kind of skinny, but they all look good. They really do. But anyway, I'll give you a quick peek inside here, what we got going on, and I'll report back in a minute. So the hunt man's in here checking things out, but brought the picnic table and the high top and chairs in from out on the patio for a little additional seating. And then over here in the game room, got those 2 more chairs that I picked up yesterday. We got them at this table here, so we've got seating for 12 at the table. Melissa's over there. She's been cooking up a storm today, getting everything ready. Got a fire going in the wood stove. Dog show on the TV. We're good to go. So what are you working on, Melissa?
All right, wrapping the plastic and the plastic silverware, plasticware that I keep in this divided box for probably 15 years, 16 years.
Yeah, for every party or whatever, we've used that same box.
Knives, forks, spoons, but I'm wrapping them and sticking them in this Coke crate. This used to hold like Coke bottles. And yeah, so everyone can just grab it and don't have to mess with that.
What are we gonna have, about 25 people?
About that, yeah. I think so. And yeah, turkey stuffing, mashed potatoes, beans, corn, yams, a pasta salad, I think. People are bringing, your family's bringing stuff, my mom's bringing stuff, and lots of pies. My mom makes a dessert called 5-cup salad. It's like marshmallows with coconut and mandarin oranges and cherries. It's pretty good. Yeah, so I'm just wrapping this, and the tables, it's going to be more of a buffet. People will come through the line, grab their things, and get what they want, and sit down and eat. I'm excited. But if you're looking for some entertainment, you can go to Morgan's Off the Leash. That's my channel. And I published a video yesterday. And
the star was the hunt man in that one.
Yeah, I did a pretend podcast with him. And you know, Hunter doesn't talk, but the pretend podcast was like me asking or answering questions that you've asked us over the years, and he was part of that. He paced back and forth and listened, and then he got more close to me on some current events, like his style, his schedule. I'm trying to think, there was one other thing. And then he stood up and was like, that's all.
I'm done.
That's all. You've seen those interviews. from very famous presidents to very famous celebrities, athletes. They're like, that's it, I'm done. They're ripping off the microphone and they're done. And that was Hunter. He was done. We went for a ride and got some lunch. And yeah, so check it out. I don't want to spoil it, but it's a good video.
What did you think of Baby Bo?
Oh my goodness, he's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Hannah did a great job delivering that big baby. It'd be like stuffing a big turkey, delivering a big turkey.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're excited. But happy Thanksgiving.
He was very alert last night and stuff.
Yeah.
Being like 3 hours old or something.
I know.
You know?
I know.
Probably more alert than you and I are today. We had a long...
Exactly. You did a lot of driving.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I can't wait to go back out and see him and help take care of things.
But anyway, it's just a short video. We may have a video on Saturday, but probably Sunday for sure.
Okay.
And, but just happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Say bye to everyone, Hunter.